There's a new Teams page called Procurement on Microsoft Teams. The aim of this new page is to provide you with advice and guidance on how to buy the goods and services that you need. When you open Teams, you will notice that the procurement page has been added on the left-hand side of the page. To access the new page, go to the top of the page and click on Procurement Information. We've created a new online questionnaire that will enable you to complete a lot of the procurement process yourself. Following this step-by-step questionnaire will make the process quicker and will give you access to the right answers and documents at the right time. To access the questionnaire, click on the green button and the staff portal will open on a separate page. You will be able to access the questionnaire without logging in. So to do this, click on the login button on the top right-hand side of the page. You will then see two options. Click on the top option called Office Login. This is the first screen that you will see when you're logged in. Your name should appear in the top right-hand corner of the page. To access the online forms, click on Internal Forms from the options in the green bar. You will then see a selection of green buttons. These buttons are arranged under each department. The forms will appear in alphabetical order at the bottom of the page. So, to find the procurement questionnaire, simply click on Procurement and the form will appear at the bottom. Follow the questions that are relevant to your purchase and the form will guide you step by step. You can save the form at any time by clicking on the Save button at the bottom right-hand side of the page. This will enable you to go away and find further information that's required or discuss your needs with the procurement team if needed. When you want to return to the form to complete it, simply click on My Requests in the green bar. You will now see a list of forms that you've saved or completed. These will appear in date order. Find the form that you wish to revisit by clicking on Continue. This will then take you back to the form and will enable you to complete the remaining questions and submit to finish. If you need any help completing this process or any other aspect of procurement, then please contact david.white, WHYTE, at nwleicestershire.gov.uk.